Miami residents are getting another option for autonomous taxi services, at least for those who live in a specific portion of the Floridian city. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. As posted on X, Tesla has expanded its Robotaxi service to a small section of West Miami. Like what fans saw with the Robotaxi rollout for Dallas and Houston earlier this year, Tesla is limiting its initial Miami availability to outside of the busy downtown. However, customers were already seen riding an unsupervised Tesla Robotaxis in videos circulating on X. Notably, the Teslas are seen operating without a safety monitor in the car, which was a controversial inclusion when the company first rolled out its autonomous ride-hailing service in Austin, Texas. Now, who are fans of this autonomous service are expecting Tesla to expand the geographic scope of its Miami Robotaxi service eventually, considering it expanded availability to the entirety of the Austin Metro last month. For those wondering why Tesla is expanding to Miami, the city is already home to Waymo's autonomous Robotaxis that kicked off in January. Similarly, Zoox is targeting an expansion to Miami and has begun testing its fleet with its employees as of this year. Apart from Miami, Tesla's roadmap includes introducing its Robotaxi services to more cities across the US, including Phoenix, Las Vegas, along with Orlando and Tampa as well. While Robotaxis are expanding everywhere, it's still left to see how people would trust enough to get in the car when there's no one behind the wheel. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update.